Mesmerizing macaws, the rainbow splendor in the wild.
Explore the vibrant world of macaws in the lush rainforest. Discover the macaw's role as nature's gardener and seed disperser. Macaws' calls echo the beauty of social bonds and communication. Witness the marvel of macaw intellect in adaptive action. Macaws, nature's gardeners, vital for forest rejuvenation. Support macaw conservation. Prevent extinction, protect biodiversity. Macaws, cultural symbols of freedom, beauty, and communication. Experience macaws' lifelong bonds, symbols of love and unity.